before and after. Hi guys, it's Papi Dos and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today we will be making a Folklore inspired Taylor Swift album cover. So let's start. Open up your Lightroom and get another photo like this with lots of trees and mostly in nature. Pull down the saturation up to -100. One of our goals here is to make like a dreamy effect and the black and white. So that's why we did the -100 for the saturation. Then here I've set the temp to -6 and the tint to -15. Under the light tab, bring down the whites to -52. And you can bring down the blacks to -8. Then go to the curve. And for this one, we will not be following the S curve directly. I'm trying to make all the blacks a little lighter. Under the effects tab, I will lower the dehaze to -15 and increase our vignette, so there will be like a light border on our photo to make that dreamy effect. That's it guys. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.